welcome to our kitchen! Did you know eggs come from chickens? Yes, we are gonna make eggs to make pancakes. That's right. And did you know honey comes from bees? We're going to add some honey to our pancakes for extra sweetness. Did you know milk comes from cows? That's right. Now let's cook. We need egg, honey, and milk. And now stir, 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 stir. Voila! Pancakes are ready. Now I am going to blindfold myself and see what drink is here. Don't forget to guess with me. Now let's start. Watermelon juice. Water. Easy. Strawberry juice. Yummy chocolate milk. Are you ready for a different game? Good. Gonna see which food is healthy and which food is unhealthy. Now let's start. Burger, unhealthy. Apple, very healthy. Vegetables, very healthy. Pizza, unhealthy. Chicken nuggets, unhealthy. Grilled chicken, healthy. You all did a fantastic job. See you all later. Don't forget to subscribe, just like Jana.